guys, and it's time for Chitter Chatter. We've had so many chit chats, and today's chit chat is with Samran Sahu. I'm sure you've seen our stories and are all excited and Bekabu. You have seen him in Bekabu 1 and you've seen him in Bekabu 2, which is going to release just in a day's time. And you're excited to watch it just the way I am. But right now, I'm super excited to do a little chit chat with him. हमने सोचा क्यों ना थोड़ा सा बैकड्रॉप आपके लिए चेंज किया जाए. So we've just come out somewhere to do chit chat with you right here outside somewhere. And I'm gonna send him a request. But before that, hi Dr. Saju, hi Rajesh, hi Sunshine. I'm gonna send him a request and we shall get started. Hey Adsar Rangandhar, Aiza, hi, how are you? Well, thank you for the look. I'm glad that I like this new look and I'm going to maintain this new look for a while. Well, also I'm going to talk to him about Masaba. I'm going to talk to him about lockdown and I'm also going to talk to him about how he's been working on his craft. It's sunshine_Rashi. Hi, how you doing? So let's see if he's here and let's send him a request. He should be here anytime. And should I just go and see where is he? Hey Murtaza, hi, how are you? Parveen, hello. Guys, in the meantime, while I go and check on him, where he is and how soon is he going to join us live, y'all can keep sending in the hearts, y'all can keep sending in the love, and y'all can keep sending us the question. So, let me see where he is. Well, let me tell y'all what I have got. He is somewhere here and I'm sending him a request right now. And we're going to have to tell you all the love that you all poured in after the story was uploaded is always appreciated. So you all can keep sending in the DM. You all can, I may not revert back to them, but I try to incorporate all the questions that I will keep sending in. And I have sent him a request. Hopefully he should join in really soon. So what have you liked the most about him when you all watched Masaba or Lockdown or in Bekabu 1? And what is it that you all are looking forward for him to perform? In what other shows? What kind of roles do you all want him to play? And he's here. I have sent him a request. Hey Simran, I have sent you a request. Why can't we get connected? I'm sending him a request again. You know, this is something about Insta. There's something like divine timing. No matter how much we plan, no matter how much we decide, इंटरनेट अपने आप ही डिसाइड करता है कि कब उसे रिक्वेस्ट भेजनी है और कब नहीं. And I don't know why is he not able to join. So, hey Raj, Aiza, thank you. I'm glad you like this haircut. Hello, hi.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Oh, you didn't reach home.
No, I didn't, but I didn't want to postpone it further. So I
Okay.
said आज का backdrop ये रोड मुंबई के रोड्स पे ही कर लेंगे, but लाइव तो 5 बजे बनता है.
I hope this is not uncomfortable for you.
Not at all. We are all excited to do this chitter chatter with you.
चलो बढ़िया है.
तो बताइए कितनी excitement है बेकाबू 2 के लिए?
Really excited because I think all of us have worked really hard on this, and especially क्योंकि COVID का situation था, and you know we had to pretty much travel a lot of places, Bombay, Goa. So all of us are really excited for it, and it's going to release on Monday at 7:30 p.m. So yeah.
Well, I must say your fans are very excited and I've got full बेकाबू to watch बेकाबू 2 क्योंकि जिस तरह हमने story डाली और कल भी जब हम chat कर रहे थे with
Yeah.
Call Me about बेकाबू 2, they are all excited. आपको कितनी excitement थी playing a cop?
So I was actually genuinely very excited because after Jogi, which was my first character in Masaba, it's literally a polar opposite character. So when the creators approached me for this part, instantaneously I was like, you know, gung-ho about it. You know, okay, let's do this because especially on the script level, it's written fabulously. There's multiple layers to the character. You know, he is somebody who is initially very sarcastic, and then eventually once the shit hits the fan, he completely flips. Right? He gets into his जो जो कॉप्स का होता है, अनुशासन एंड प्रतिष्ठा एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. तो yeah, I got really excited for it, and I'm hoping that it does well.
So you've been a part of Bekabu. You were part of Bekabu too. It's a long journey. So tell us about
Oh
how
no
is it
no.
working
So
with Alt
so
Balaji?
so the first series I wasn't a part of it. So this is a fresh character that they bring in, and it starts obviously with Kian and everything, and it's eventually, obviously I can't divulge too much information about the plot line, but कुछ होता है उसके बाद आकाश की एंट्री होती है, and then eventually, I mean, you'll see, everybody is going to watch it, yeah.
So everyone here कुछ होता है और अगर आपको देखना है कि क्या होता है
तो जरूर
because you
देखिएगा.
can't see, तो आप प्लीज जाके और बालाजी पे बेकाबू 2 देखिए.
Yeah.
But since you were saying this character is very different from what you did in Masaba,
Yeah.
and it is like there you were artistic, like a junkie. So how challenging was it? How did you manage?
So essentially, this is what excites me about the craft. कि you're able to get into different characters' shoes, and उनके जहन में आप घुस सकते हैं. It's just interesting to dive into variable characters because it changes your own perspective as well. So the moment it came to me, I was like, yeah, this is something that I really should be doing because एक होता है, I also think that somehow there are certain किरदार like cop का हो या army officer का हो, there are certain characters which we are conditioned to believe that they perform a certain way. You know what I'm saying? Because they have been performed by fabulous other actors, and there is a way to go about it. With this one, I actually wanted to change that slightly. I wanted to take in a certain element which I feel I should bring into my characters and just play with it. And to be honest, I had a blast playing this character because there is a certain power that we attach to the uniform. And I still remember when the first day of my shoot, it was a night shoot, and it was a very physical scene. From the very get-go, it was somewhere in the middle of the show. Again, I can't divulge too much
रिवील मत
information.
कुछ होता है
कुछ होता
कुछ
है.
हुआ
तो
और कुछ किया गया.
हाँ, तो उसमें जब मैं पहले दिन से ही जब मैं घुसने लगा, so I understood. I worked with my director. The creatives were also there. The creative director was also there, and after just kind of understanding कि उसको कहाँ तक आप लेके जा सकते हैं, जो जो जिस तरह वो देखते हैं उस किरदार को, जिस तरह मैं देखता हूँ उस किरदार को. So we figure out a balance, and then you put in that little bit of magic into it, and yeah, I had an absolute blast playing this, honestly. Jogi se bahut zyada.
Totally agree because the smile on your face while you're talking about this character that you played in
Yeah,
Bekabu
yeah.
2 is just saying it all. And at the same time, the fans are pouring in the hearts all there. Before I go to my next question, is there something you want to tell your beautiful fans who are right here for your chitter chatter?
Oh, I'm really grateful that I have fans. I can't even imagine that I have fans. ये मेरे दिमाग में कभी घुसता भी नहीं है. But I just hope that they keep on loving me the way they love me, and they keep on watching my show. And I would love to hear the criticism as well, because I think that's how I would grow as an actor. So yeah, please do watch this show, whatever next I do, and just keep on pouring your love.
So, guys, when you all watch this show Bekabu 2 on Alt Balaji, after that, feel free to pour in your love on his DM. If there is a
Or
criticism,
hate, or
please
hate.
feel free to tell him. And if you haven't watched the other stuff that he's done, then please go and watch that too. But I'm sure nobody's missed the Masaba and the lockdown. So tell
Yeah.
us about how was your lockdown? आपने क्या किया lockdown में?
Uh, to be very honest, I actually had a tough time during lockdown, especially in that mental space that we all were in, um, with COVID being the issue, with Sushant's death, everything just kind of piled up. And the only way I could really sustain myself was to pour myself creatively. and that's exactly what I did. I took out about 2 months of my time, poured it into writing a short film, and then eventually producing it. And yeah, I mean, it's a learning experience, and I mean, I shared it with everybody online, and eventually it was even showcased in PVR. I obviously told everybody not to go and watch the show at PVR because you can just watch it at home and be safe. But yeah, I mean, I'm just glad that as artists, we at least have that a venue available to us that we can kind of distract ourselves and just pour all that negative energy into something constructive. And yeah, that's what I did.
How do you channel yourself as an actor?
So there's a process. I think every actor has their own process involved, but a lot of it begins with stillness. It begins with trying to really understand perceptions, trying to really get into the psychological side of the characters, and it's easier said than done because in our space, especially in our industry, there are a lot of inputs, especially with the director, with the creative producers. So you have to you have to find that correct balance, and you have to convince certain things the way that you see your character, understand a lot as well, and it's just a learning process. I feel an actor is constantly learning, and that's how I go about it. I bring in a little bit of my element, then I just open it up. I become a director's actor. I figure out what they expect from me, and eventually I just have fun with it. I think the key is to have fun with it. It's to really leave yourself behind. The moment you come on set, you're not Smaran anymore. You're Inspector Akash, and yeah, that's my process.
And while you're talking about that, your friend I, Tushar Khanna, is saying Akash Ala Re with hearts and firework
Yeah,
balls.
yeah. Tushar and I had a lot of fun while shooting for this. Most of the time, I think predominantly out of the guys, तुषार के साथ मेरे काफी scenes थे. तो हाँ, we honestly had a blast.
You know, this is a psycho thriller. That was Masaba Masaba was different. The other things you're doing is different.
Hmm.
Jumping from, as an actor, it's quite challenging doing different characters. So,
But I think
how is it working on?
that's what actually gravitates me towards my vocation. Um, it is, it's a relationship at the end of the day, right? You build that relationship with your characters, and you hope that you would always get those kind of characters which really challenge you. Otherwise, maza kya hai? I mean, I think a lot of times, I mean, at least for me, from my perspective, what gravitates me towards a script is, when I sit down and I see a certain scene, and I'm like, oh, this is really interesting. This is something that मैं इसमें घुस सकता हूँ, मैं इसमें इसमें बहुत काम कर सकता हूँ. इसके लेयर्स हैं, उसको मैं निकाल के मतलब सब कुछ दिखा सकता हूँ. And that's what excites me. And if that excitement is not there, a lot of times I do say no to a lot of opportunities because it eventually just comes down to, is this something that I really want to do? And if those things kind of check mark themselves, I'm up for it.
Wow. Okay. Now, on a very lighter note, we're going to play a quick round of this and that.
Okay.
So, you don't have time to
Wait,
think. And
how do you
if
play that?
so, I'm going to ask you questions, and you have to decide this and that, whether
Okay.
it's this one or that one. Okay.
Acha.
So, OTT or cinema hall?
OTT.
Is it OTT on the phone or on the big screen?
Oh, on the big screen, as big as it can get.
Hindi dramas, English dramas, when you come to watching something?
Watching or performing in it?
Watching.
Watching, I would still say that I gravitate more towards English dramas currently.
Historical or mythological?
Hmm. Historical.
Thriller or horror?
Thriller. Add
Comedy
in,
or action?
In fact, in the thriller, add in a little bit of psychological thriller, and it's just
Are we
perfect for
again
me.
talking about Bekabu too? Like, are you hinting
Yeah,
there?
yes, sure. Why not?
Okay. Comedy or action?
You know, I can only choose one.
This or that?
Action, action, action. Yeah.
Romantic drama or rom-com?
Romantic drama.
Okay, now favorite action movie.
Hmm. You know what? I just saw John Wick. For some reason, मैंने अभी तक देखी नहीं थी, and I mean, it's not my favorite, but it just kind of just bounced back. But I would still say the original Matrix. You know, the first one.
Favorite psycho thriller besides Bekabu 2?
Hmm. Donnie Darko.
Favorite romantic movie?
Favorite romantic movie, The Notebook.
If you had to be a part of a historical era, which one would it be?
Huh. I would say pre-independence India. I think that's something that I would relate to. Yeah.
A OTT drama that you watch and you would like to be a part of?
OTT drama that I have watched. Patal Lok. क्या काम
If
हुआ है उसमें?
so, people casting for Patal Lok too, you know whom to cast where?
Oh, I wish. I really hope. Yes. Fingers crossed. Clean Slate Films.
Okay, bolo
I
your
don't
pitching.
know.
Back to our game.
I don't know if I should say it live, but yeah, it's okay.
It's okay. Fingers crossed. Wish list.
Yeah.
Now let's go. Okay, in one word, what is all Balaji for you?
All Balaji in one word. Oh,
Or
one
one
second.
sentence. चलो एक sentence दे दिया.
No. The greatest subscription there is currently on OTT.
Okay.
The largest subscription. Yeah.
Working on Bekabu 2.
Fantastic.
Co-actors on Bekabu 2.
Impeccable.
Playing a cop.
Gratifying.
Mantra of your life.
Shanti.
Mantra as an actor and mantra of you as a person.
As an actor, limitless, and as a person, filled with limits.
One actor, if you had a chance right now to work with.
Right now, you know, it's impossible. It's honestly impossible, but I would say Irfan Khan Saab.
One actress you would love to work with.
Anushka.
One director you wish to get directed by.
I would say Prosit Roy.
One movie you want to be a part of, a remake.
A remake.
Like if this had to be remade, you want to be a part of it.
I would say Anand.
One music album or a music that is your home lately.
Music album. You know what? I honestly don't listen to albums as such. मेरा एक playlist है. Any song.
एक playlist में एक गाना जो आज loop पे चल रहा है या lately चल रहा है.
There is this one song called Way Back Home. You'll have to search it.
All you fans है, go search and send me the link.
Sorry, थोड़ा popular से थोड़ा हटके था.
But
You know,
okay,
it's just
it's your
something.
loop
Yeah,
song, and that's what we want to know. That what is playing on loop for you.
yeah.
And now, why should we watch Bekabu 2 besides only for you? Though all of us here want to watch it for you, for Paul, me, and obviously we are excited seeing the thriller. But आप
Yeah.
क्यों चाहते हैं कि हम देखें?
No, I think you should watch the show because all of us, as I said at the beginning of our session, that all of us have worked really hard on this, and I think the credit goes to right from the top, the creative directors, all the writers, the DOP. I think if you've seen the trailer, what fabulous framings and lighting and all the technical aspect. If you really look at the show, it looks amazing. I think this is one of the best all shows that I personally have seen, and अभी तक मैंने खाली trailer देखा है इसका. तो please do watch it, and I assure you that even without my character, the show is just amazing. It will grip you, it will excite you, it will keep on making you question your own intellect. So please do watch it.
We all are excited, and we all are definitely gonna watch Bekabu 2. And thank you, Sman, for this chitter chatter. Hope you had a
Thank you
great
so much.
time, and looking forward for
Yes,
many more chit chats.
thank you for having me, and yes, surely, definitely.
Thank you. Have a great weekend.
You too. Bye bye.